This is something I never thought I would have to say, but the Diddy tapes have been leaked on the internet. Video is currently going viral, and pictures of Diddy himself being screenshotted from the video because he had a small you-know-what.
Diddy's meat leaked, okay? I don't know how else to say it. And we have to break it down. We have to discuss it. What has my life become? But yes, guys, Diddy's meat leaked. It is wild. It is one of the most insane things I've ever actually seen, okay? This is one of the wildest videos I've ever had to make. Not only that, but he also has a counterpart in the video by the name of Sly Diggler that we are also going to be doing a Hink's reality check on both of these guys. But just remember, guys, these are all allegations. It has not been proven that any of these guys are the guys on the actual tape. So guys, if you like my video, you like my content, please leave a thumbs up. It really does mean a lot. It really does help a lot. The other thing is YouTube has changed the way it recommends videos. So if you like what I do, you might want to subscribe. Otherwise, YouTube might not show you any more of my videos. But let's get into it. So the first thing we have to address is the actual rumors. Now, guys, I don't have my ear to the street, I guess, in this regard. But apparently, Diddy has been known to be small. And I mean disturbingly small.
Because I didn't want to alarm y'all. He is disturbingly small.
Now, guys, here's a post from over a year ago where it says that Diddy was accused of grape by a woman who says his D was Tootsie Roll sized. Now, you read that and you're like, all right, this is just sensationalized. Like, there's no way this dude is actually like that small. But then I saw this excerpt here, which was actually from all the way back in January, where once again, this Sly Diggler guy talks about how Diddy is apparently 3 inches big, which is just wild. That's different than saying like he has a small penis. That's saying that he like borderline has a micro penis. Now, guys, I do want to be explicitly clear here, okay? I don't care who it is. I'm not down for size shaming. I'm not down for physically making fun of somebody's attribute that they cannot control. I don't think that's cool in any situation. You know, I just don't want it to get twisted. If some of these clips or some of the things that we see are kind of funny, like I'm gonna laugh if I find it humorous, but I don't think it's necessarily okay. Especially, I don't want any of like some of my smaller audience to get like triggered by this or think I make fun of smaller guys, because I'm not. If anything, it's because it's Diddy. 50 Cent doesn't share my same beliefs because he has been absolutely destroying Diddy for quite a while now, but he even made a tweet that went something along the lines of, guys, free Diddy, he's been through enough being born with no penis. It's ice cold, but if you actually see the video, which I don't recommend you try to find, it actually makes sense why he would say things like this. Hink's reality check on Diddy. Let's just get right into it. How big is this dude actually? So first of all, for context, we have to understand that Diddy is about 5'10" tall. Okay, so maybe just a hair above average. So he's not some gigantic dude with gigantic hands. You have to keep in mind that the average hand breadth, the distance from here to here, is about 3.5 inches, okay, in general. Now, the reason why that comes into play, because the gentleman, allegedly Diddy in the video, is, let's just say, holding himself in his hand, and you cannot see his meat. You can't see it. It's just not there. It's just not there. Now, there are certain angles and directions when you actually can see it. Yes, guys, I did the research for this. If you appreciate my meat gazing, hit the like button right now, guys, because I absolutely went through it for this video. So that being said, considering hand breadth, his total size, and what I saw in the video, I legitimately think this dude is somewhere around about 3 to 3.5 inches non-bone pressed. Now, guys, bone pressed meaning if you were to take a ruler and press it all the way into the pubic bone, that's basically bone pressed. If you just take your ruler and just put it up there and just measure what you can see, that's called non-bone pressed. And so, yeah, I think this dude is about 3.5 inches non-bone pressed. Now, it's important to understand that in the video, especially, the guy, allegedly Diddy, is very obese, guys. Not fat shaming. I'm just telling you, he's very obese. He has a very round belly that sticks out, and he has a lot of body fat stored, especially in the context of having the perspective of his entire body, because the guy in the video is like setting up the cameras and kind of moving around, and you can see his whole body and his whole profile. I certainly didn't laugh at this because I didn't think it was funny. But apparently they're calling him Biggie Smalls now because his belly is so big, but his other parts are not nearly as big.
But y'all keep calling Diddy Biggie Smalls, and it really has me in tears.
Now, guys, I do want to take a second to just say how important it is for your overall size to be lean, okay? Or to not be obese. You don't have to be lean. This dude, Diddy, allegedly is about, I'd say, once again, somewhere between 3 to 3.5 inches non-bone pressed. He could have about a full 2-inch fat pad, which could mean his D would be about 5 to 5.5 inches, which is well within the average or normal range. But when you're that obese and you have a big belly that sticks out like his does in this video, allegedly, it's going to make your D look a lot smaller. Like, look at this before and after picture here. And I know it's not the same exact perspective, but look at the guy holding the phone. Look at how much bigger the phone looks, even though it's the same size in the after photo when he's lost all of that weight. I can't emphasize enough the importance of being lean. So all you guys that want to actually get bigger, one of the most important things that you could actually do to get bigger is to just lose weight. Now, that being said, if you want to actually increase the size of your penile tissue, you can do that with real science. There's published literature on it. Now, guys, if you don't believe me, click the link down below. Check out my Hink trial, where 7 guys on average over 6 months gained a 1/2 inch in length and a 1/4 inch in girth with before and after photos that you can see for yourself. And along with that, guys, I do have my enlargement course where I take you through step by step, based on real published literature, how to actually get bigger and how to do it permanently and safely. So consider checking those out. We have to talk about his girth because, you know, this one's a little bit harder to determine because you can't see a full photo of like his hand and are his fingers able to touch and all of those other metrics. But if I had to just throw out my best guess, I would probably say his girth is somewhere probably around 4.5 inches. Now 4.5, that's on the smaller side of average, but still within an average range, okay? Still within a normal size distribution. Like, I don't think he's, you know, got like a pencil D or anything like that. But it's wild to me. Like, you hear rumors about like, oh, so-and-so has a small D, and then you see a picture of it and they're average or something. Like, nah, the guy allegedly looks very small in this video. I mean, very, very small. I was actually very surprised that all of the hype behind him having a small D was actually seemingly legit. Now, the other co-star of this video is an adult star named Diggler, okay? I'm not familiar with his work, you know, no shame to you if you are. Now, let's just get right into a reality check on him, because there actually is pretty good published literature on the internet of him with an actual ruler. Now, they do tricks where they will basically angle the ruler in different ways or like start it back behind him. But when you have a unit of measurement and a D in the same frame, you can get a pretty good estimate. Just how big is this guy? He is about 9 inches bone pressed, meaning, once again, you take the ruler, you push it all the way into his pelvis, okay? And so what you can see, because he's not the leanest guy in the world either, is probably about, you know, 8.5 to maybe 8.25 inches. Dude is unequivocally huge. I mean, gigantic, absolutely gigantic. And dude is probably around 6 inches in girth. I would love to sit here and lie to you and be like, oh no, he's about 6 inches. It's all camera angles. Nope. Dude is huge. That's probably why Diddy recruited him in the first place, allegedly. And it's just wild having like Diddy allegedly like walking around with almost like a non-existent, a non-visible D next to like one of the biggest dudes in the entire industry. It's just wild. I mean, I don't even understand that perspective, how you would be with a girl and then want your girl to be with a guy maybe 4 or 5 times the size of you. Like, I just don't understand. Guys, let me know in the comments, like, help me make sense of that. Does it make sense to you? Would you ever allow that? Now, guys, one of the most important takeaways from this for me is that not all black dudes are big. I've said it before. I have my video breaking down basically globally, like, where are the biggest countries. Africa is like the 4th biggest country, guys. I have my video about like the BBC myth. I have several of them actually. Statistically, black men are not bigger than white men or any other subset population. Some of the data suggests that there's bigger bigs, but there's smaller smalls, but the average is about the same. Okay, check out either of the other videos if you want to see more about that. But guys, this is a prime example, okay? A dark skin, black dude, famous. I don't know if maybe you would think that he has big D energy or not. I don't know, but like a fashion mogul, like empire built, you would imagine this dude is walking around with a swinging hog between his legs. But no, it's actually, I mean, seemingly quite the opposite, allegedly. Now, guys, along those lines, I mean, I do think there's actually very clear instances, and I don't want to be like stereotypical, but like small D energy has nothing to do with actually your D size. It's about the energy put off, and especially the negativity. And there's a lot of dudes that claim to be big and even make that their whole identity that have absolutely small D energy. And to me, this is a prime example of one. And I'm not the only one with similar thoughts about that.
I want to say finding out that Diddy was a small peen man is probably like the least surprising detail that has came out about him. Like when I seen people talking about it on Twitter, all I thought about was the video of him chasing Cassie down the hallway. And not just because of how he was putting her hands on her, because you can be small, big, whatever you are. If you want to put hands on a woman, you're going to put hands on a woman. But it was the way that the towel had no bounce in the front when he was running down the hallway. Like, it sounds crazy, but I definitely paid attention to that detail. I said, God damn, it must not be much of anything there because he's holding on to the towel real tight. But I don't see a fuck-ass thing.
So guys, this was wild. Once again, this was a wild one. I appreciate you watching. Let me know your thoughts. Like, do you think Diddy is that small? Do you think it's being misrepresented? I will say it was hard to determine. Once again, I didn't do that much meat gazing on just how rigid he was. And so if he wasn't that rigid, then clearly his full picture is not, you know, in the frame. And so it's hard to know for sure. But I was actually surprised that everything people were saying about him being very small were actually seemingly accurate, or at least whoever that was in the video. But I want to know your thoughts, guys. Once again, take a second, like and subscribe before you bounce. Remember, you are so much more than the size of your D. There's nothing wrong with self-improvement, but you are enough just as you are. All right, guys. Peace and love.
Dr. Hink got the plug on the health, yeah. Got you thinking about your wealth.